Dear students, I'm starting with exercise 6.2. Before you start it, you must make a chart from introduction to and 3 types of angles. Such will help you to decide which property is to be used. Sometimes every property may not remain in mind. To get it in a direct form, if chart before you, you can compare the figures and decide which type of angle could be applicable. It will help you a lot. So let me start. Exercise 6.2, question number 1. It is, figure is given like this. Two lines are given, not parallel. Initially not set to be parallel, but it is proved to be parallel. AB, second line is CD, and transversal line is such that this angle is 50 degree, this angle is set to be X, this angle is set to be Y, and this angle is set to be 130 degree. 130 degree. Now find the values of X and Y, then show that AB parallel to CD. First of all, for finding X, you use there is no name given. Let me take as E, F, G, H. For sake of convenience, for better expression, E, H is a transversal line. First of all, write EH is a straight line, and ray FE standing on it. Keep in mind, whenever you are to use linear pair property, you must write related as side and ray or line segment standing on it. So angle 50 degree plus X will be equal to 180 degree. Property is linear pair, which implies X equal to 180 minus 50 degree, 130 degree. Linear पेयर एक लाइन उसके ऊपर रेल स्टैंड कर रही है और टू एंगल जो बनेंगे वो लीनियर पेयर होंगे, उनका सम 180 होगा. सेम वे you can see EH and CD are intersecting at G, so Y equal to 130 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angles. I am writing in abbreviation form. Vertically opposite angles complete. You may complete it. Y equal to 130 degree. Now, first of all, demand was to find X and Y. Using X and Y, you have to conclude that lines are parallel. But we are having AB, CD are lines. EH is a transversal line. What does it show? X and Y are alternate interior angles. So X equal to Y imply X equal to Y compared from that 1, 2. You will write using 1 and 2, you can conclude that X equal to Y. Now implies AB parallel to CD. Hence true. Now in the second question, 3 lines are given which are already 2 respective parallel pairs are there. Again I will repeat, whenever you apply corresponding angle or alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angles, you must mention the names of the lines. Of course, normally you will apply when they are parallel. So for parallel lines, you will apply name of the sides and transversal line. Then you can conclude the lines are parallel or not. If they are parallel, then related angles are equal, or collinear angles are supplementary. Now see, question is, figure is ready before you. X, Y, here it is Z. Now, what is given? Y ratio Z equal to Y ratio Z equal to 3:7. Here X and Y are visible to be co-interior angle. ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, ट्रांसवर्सल की एक ही साइड में दो इंटीरियर एंगल्स. को मीन्स कॉमन साइड, इंटीरियर मीन्स अंदर की एंगल्स. X plus Y equal to 180 degree, but we have relation between Y and Z. So better to take some name angle, number angle 1 here, which help you to find Y, 1 equal to Y, and 1 is related to Z as 1 plus Z equal to 180 degree. Let us write that. Since Y and Z are, the ratio is given, implies Y equal to 3K and Z equal to 7K. K is supposed to be, क्या बोला, प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट. जब भी रेशियो दी होती है आपको प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट, जब भी आपको रेशियो दी होगी आपको प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट मानना होगा. दी प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट. नाउ proportionality constant Y and Z are with you. See, line, no name is given in the figure, so write G H I J K. See, here line G K, line G K and line CD are intersecting. Keep in mind, when you are to apply vertically opposite angles to be equal, you must write name of two lines which are intersecting. Like here, GK, CD. GK and CD are intersecting lines. कहाँ intersect कर रहे हैं वो भी नाम देना है आपको. At point I. Now shows Y equal to angle 1. You will say where angle 1 हमने किसको माना है? DIF को. DIF को. This is just supposed to be 1 for sake of convenience. Now Y equal to 1. Another way, you are having CD parallel to EF and GK is a transversal. I have told you, whenever you are to use these properties, you must name the lines to be parallel, and a transversal line shows angle 1 plus Z equal to 180 degree. Reason co-interior angles. Now angle 1 is found to be Y plus Z. Better to not to introduce angle sign here, because Z is the value of the angle. 1 is the number of angles, so mark here. Please rectify it. Y equal to Z. Y and Z. Sorry. Y plus Z equal to 180 degree. You have just substituted 1 as Y from here. Now Y value is 3K. Z value is 7K. Equal to 180 degree implies 10K equal to 180 implies K equal to 18. So stop your video and do note it. Let me rub this very part to continue. 3K K value is there, but what is demanded? X. X is related to Y. So let us find value of Y first. Y is nothing but 3K. Y here. I have just rubbed that. Y equal to 3K. Y equal to 3 into 18. 54 degree. And then you will find value of X, because X plus Y equal to 180 degree. For that you must write AB parallel CD and name of transversal GK. GK is a transversal. Make habit transversal. Reason co-interior angles. Now X plus Y, X value is to be found, Y value is 54, 180. So value of X will be 180 minus 54 equal to 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 5, 2, 1, 26 value of X. But X is nothing but, no, direct X is asked, no need to write anything else. So we have reached to the required answer.